The new era of collagen is officially here. Put your arms up. Let's all give it up for Dear Faces' newest ambassador, Andrea Brillantes. Come on, everybody. How about a big round of applause? Come on. Oh my gosh. Hi. My name is Gail, by the way. I shake your hand like it's kind of low right now, but welcome to the show, or actually welcome to everybody as well. We are joined by, of course, Dear Faces' newest ambassador. Everybody say hello. Give a wave as well. Andrea Brillantes.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Thank you all so much for being here with us. And of course, kay Miss Jonah, thank you so much po sa pag-welcome sa akin sa bagong family na ito, ang Dear Face family. I'm so happy po talaga kasi gumagamit po talaga ako ng beauty milk bago pa ako na kasama sa family na ito. So I'm really happy and excited.
Thank you.
There you have it. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, big warm round of applause. Come on. Once again, welcome to our Dear Faces new ambassador. How about a quick hello to everybody? How are you feeling? I know it's been very, very hot the past couple of days. Pati kanina nung naglalakad ka papasok eh, alam ko sobrang init na. Kamusta naman the past couple of days for you?
Well, wala tayong choices sa Philippines tayo.
Sure.
Mainit talaga dito sa Philippines. Pero as long as blooming naman ako dahil sa beauty milk, okay lang naman. Kinakarry ko yung heat.
There you have it. Now, if you do have any questions for Andrea Brillantes, we are joined by a couple of guests as well as friends from the media. We will be hearing from you as well. But for now, I'd like to invite Miss Jonah and Andrea. Come on, be comfortable, sit down. We're going to open the floor to our media partners. Okay? If you have any questions for Andrea, bakit siya ganito ka-blooming? Meron ba okay, mamaya na yun. May magtatanong noon on our behalf. But anyway, opening the floor and saying hello to Kate Adahar of Random Republica to start our Q&A portion with Miss Jonah and of course, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Both of you can answer, by the way. Here you go.
Mentioned earlier, Ms. Jonah, that you've been drinking beauty milk even before you were tapped into the door. So, ano yung story behind it? How did you discover it? Why you were
Nung una ko po kasi siya nakita sa feed ko, honestly, parang na-curious ako and natuwa ako kasi it's two things that I love, which is milk. Mahilig ko kasi talaga, magatas po talaga ako kapag bago matulog, and pangalawa, mahilig ako sa mga bagay na nakakapagpaganda sa atin. So, syempre nung nakita ko na, oh my gosh, ano siya, flavored milk, tapos nakakapagpaganda pa siya, it has collagen, tapos ang dami kasi nagsasabi na nakakatulong din siya, hindi lang magpaganda ng skin, at saka hindi na siya parang anti-aging, nakakatulong din siya makapag-sleep. So, tinitake ko din po siya before ako matulog. So, ever since noon, in-order ko siya, tapos nung tinry ko, ang sarap-sarap niya. So, of course, naubos na siya agad. Naubos na siya agad. So, nag-order ulit ako. Tapos, parang, every day, every night na ilang months na po ako user. Actually, mag-1 year na po yata akong gumagamit bago pa ako nakuha ni Miss Jonah. So, yeah.
How did she find it?
Oh, well, it's because of Bea Goren.
Yes!
The best friend.
Hi, Bea!
Si Bea kasi before, nakita lang din namin siya sa TikTok, and then tinap namin siya because she was drinking beauty milk. And then eventually, kinuwento niya na ako, ate, meron din ako friend na umiinom ng beauty milk. Hindi ko pa nasasabihin kung sino. And then one lunch date, nag-date kami ni Bea, and then she said, you know, Andrea, Blythe is drinking your beauty milk. And I was so kilig. Sabi ko, wow. Tapos from then on, parang hindi na ako napakalay. Gusto ko siyang kunin kasi she represents talaga beauty milk and also the Dear Face.
There you have it. She does represent beauty milk rather, and we are so happy that she is here with us at the moment and for the next couple of, I don't know, but hey, keeping it going to Georgia Pandaligan of Rider PH.
Hello po.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Wala pang ako na yun sa katagal ko ginagamit yung beauty milk.
specifically, ano napansin mo sa skin mo when you started using it?
Tulad po ng sabi ko kanina, I think magwa 1 year na po, or baka, ay hindi, naka 1 year na ako. Kasi this time last year ko siya na-discover. Kasi nag-start siya sa gusto ko lang maging mas maganda. At saka gusto ko makatulog. So, tapos, nag-discover ko siya this time last year. Tapos yun nga, parang nakita ko agad yung effects niya. Nag-start siya sa napansin ko, mas mahimbing yung tulog ko. Tapos kinaumagahan, parang mas glowing ako, parang mas blooming ako, ganyan. Tapos nakakatulog. Collagen kasi is protein siya. I think 30% of our body yata meron nun. So kailangan talaga natin siya. Yes, alam ko, collagen. Tapos nakakatulog din siya sa anti-aging. Marami po siyang benefits. So ako, kinontinue ko lang siya lagi. Tapos lagi ako nasasabihin na, uy, parang ang blooming ko ngayon. Tapos lagi ko sinasabi ito kasi lagi ko tiniting. Consistent po talaga ako. Ever since nung na-try ko siya, kahit po pumunta ako sa ibang bansa, dala-dala ko po siya sa maleta ko. And alam yun ng ate ko, alam yun ni Bea. Nag-start din siya, nag-order ako. Tapos, kasi lagi ko siya nauubos. So, minsan kumuha ako ng stocks ni Bea. So, minsan humihingi na yun. Yun po. Nabi ko agad ka rin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you have it. Keep the ball rolling though. Josephine Bonsall of josephinebonsall.com.
Hi po.
Hello! Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Vlad.
Thank you.
It's real, kasi nasundan ka namin mula ng bata pa.
Ah.
Did you dream of endorsing a beauty bill?
Yes! Yes, nung very malaki po kasi influence talaga ng friend ko. So, pag nakikita ko, lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, sana kunin nila ako kasi gumagamit talaga ako. At saka bilang endorser po kasi parang yun yung pinakagusto mo sana, yung lagi mong ginagamit ay kunin ka para mas effective. At saka alam mo yun, mas proud ka na in-endorse mo yung bagay na to. So, ako gusto ko po talaga. At saka kasi para makasave din ako kasi parang 3 times a month po ako bumibili. So, para meron na din po ako sariling stock. So, ayun. So, gusto ko po talaga sana makuha ako ng Dear Face. Kaya super happy ako na. Parang din ako ngayon. Parang na-manifest ko po siya. Kaya kayo tumigil mag-manifest. 1 year din ako nag-manifest.
1 year more.
Opo, 1 year din ako order ng order.
Miss Jonah though, piggybacking off of that, when was like the, oh my gosh, kailangan natin kunin si Andrea Brillantes. When was that like snap?
Actually, it was a random. Bea and I were doing a vlog. And then it was a random parang question na parang, si Blight ba? Is she endorsing collagen? Ganyan. Sabi niya, from Bea Morris, naku ate! Sabi gano'n. She's using Beauty Milk and she's getting a stocks from me. Gano'n.
Kopya niyo po si Bea.
Yeah, kabisado na natin si Bea. But from then, actually, I was really shocked kasi it's actually blind. And you know, I was happy knowing that real people uses Beauty Milk, and that's not because they are endorsing it, but because they're loving the effect. So yun yung parang actually that's the stand of Dear Face also, and also the Beauty Milk. Na we're getting influencers, KOL celebrities because they are using our products, not because we want them to use our products. That's the other way around. And in Dear Face, we always live in honesty. So, pagka sinabi namin, di ba gamit talaga siya, gumagamit talaga siya. So, our past influencers and endorsers as well, they use Beauty Milk prior us tapping them. So, yeah, super proud lang.
Tsaka ang sarap din kasi talaga niya. Na-try niyo na ba? Try niyo, ang sarap niya.
Diba? Very perfect talaga. Perfect for Dear Face of Beauty Milk. But we are down to the last 2 questions from our media partners. Miss Dina Jen of Business Mirror.
Hello po.
I'm sure you have many
is it about the brand that you like? Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa brand? Aside from yung lasa talaga ng brands. Kasi,
Well, I think dahil naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product, and I think that's enough reason para gustuhin ko po talagang i-endorse yung product ng Dear Face kasi naniniwala po ako sa effects niya kasi gumana naman siya sa akin, masasabi ko naman po. So ayun po, naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product ng Beauty Melt ng Dear Face. Kaya gusto ko po talaga siya ma-endorse. Tsaka, ayun, gusto kasi talaga siya. Thank you po.
Down the last question though, from John Bueno of Kumagao.com.
Hi, Brian. How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you.
I've seen you in, of course, previous endorsements. What makes this stand out for you, the brand?
I think parang it's new to me kasi ako personally nung nakita ko siya, parang bago siyang product for me. And nasa beauty industry din po ako.
Yes.
Very involved ako sa anything kikay, ganyan. So nung nakita ko to, parang it's refreshing to my eyes din na parang gatas na nagpapaganda, may benefits, hindi lang sa pagpapaganda kundi sa mismong body mo as well as sa health mo. At nakaka-glow, nakaka-whitening, nakaka-slimming. So parang all-in-one siyang product. So parang bago lang siya for me. Kaya yun yung tingin ko na parang nag-boost sa product ko bakit iba siya sa iba po yun.
That can make kwento siguro. How do you take beauty milk?
Every night po ako. At may one time pa nga na nag-try ako mag-diet. So medyo nabawas ako ng sweets. Ito na yung naging sweets ko kasi ang tamis niya. So parang every night ito na yung parang ginagawa kong dessert actually. So every night natitake po ako ng isa. Kapag nakakalimutan ko po sa gabi kasi minsan pagod po from taping, nagtitake po ako sa morning. Una ko po siyang tinitake sa morning. Tapos bago po matulog, ito po yung last kong tinitake.